Sat Shri Akal, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ms. Amandeep Kaur. So I am back with subject Maths, chapter 4, fractional numbers, exercise 4.6. This exercise relates to the topic that how to find the greater or smaller fraction. If the fractions have same numerators, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is the greater and the other one is the smaller. And if the fractions have same denominators, then the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater and other is the smaller fraction. Got it? And if their numerator and denominator both are different, then we find their cross product, means cross multiplication, right? The fraction with the smaller product is the smaller fraction. So first part is find the greater fraction for each part of the following. So here A part, you can see here numerators are same, which is 2. So that's why here the greater fraction is 2 by 3, because we have read that if the fractions have the same numerator, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is the greater, means इसमें process उल्टा होता है अगर उसके numerator same होते हैं, right? So here B part is, here you can see 7 by 9 and 7 by 12. So here similarly numerators are same. So that's why smaller fraction is 7 by 12 and greater is 7 by 9. Similarly C part, so here numerators are same. That's why greater fraction is 1 by 4. D part, here numerators are same. So that's why smaller fraction is 4 by 8 and greater fraction is 4 by 6. Similarly E part, so here numerators are same, that's why greater fraction is 3 by 7. F part में you can see यहाँ पे denominator same है, numerators same नहीं है, that's why यहाँ पे process सीधा होता है, उल्टा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे 7 by 9 is the greater fraction. Similarly G part, here you can see denominators are same, that's why 3 by 4 is the greater fraction. Similarly H part, here 7 by 8 is the greater fraction, right? Now second part, find the smaller fraction for each part of the following. Here you can see numerators are same, so smaller fraction is 3 by 5. यहाँ पे process उल्टा होता है अगर numerator same होते हैं, right? B part 5 by 8 and 5 by 12, so here smaller fraction is 5 by 12. C part 7 by 9 and 4 by 9. So here denominator same है तो process सीधा होगा. यहाँ पे smaller fraction is 4 by 9. D part, here numerators are same, so process उल्टा होगा. यहाँ पे smaller fraction is 3 by 8. यहाँ पे E part 5 by 7 and 5 by 11. यहाँ पे numerators are same, that's why process यहाँ पे क्या होगा, उल्टा होगा. 5 by 7 is the greater fraction and 5 by 11 is the smaller fraction, right? Similarly F part 8 by 12 and 5 by 12, यहाँ पे denominators are same, so process सीधा होगा. यहाँ पे smaller fraction is 5 by 12. G part, similarly here 9 by 4 and 7 by 4, denominators are same, यहाँ पे process सीधा होगा, so smaller fraction is 7 by 4. H part 9 by 8 and 7 by 8, here process सीधा होगा, 7 by 8 is the smaller fraction. Third part is write the following in increasing ascending order. Increasing order or ascending order means सबसे पहले हम smallest number लिखते हैं, then greater and then greater and then the greatest, right? So here these are some given fractions. Here A part is 7 by 12, 4 by 12, 1 by 12 and 5 by 12. Here you can see denominators are same, so process will be like this, means सीधा process होगा इसका. So answer is A part 1 by 12, 4 by 12, 5 by 12 and 7 by 12, right? Here B part is 5 by 12, 5 by 9, 5 by 7 and 5 by 4. So here process will be opposite, right? Because here numerators are same, तो process उल्टा होगा. तो इसका आंसर होगा 5 by 12, 5 by 9, 5 by 7 and 5 by 4. C part 6 by 11, 4 by 11, 9 by 11 and 3 by 11. So here you can see denominators are same. So इसका process सीधा होगा. तो इसका आंसर होगा 3 by 11, 4 by 11, 6 by 11 and 9 by 11. So D part is 7 by 8, 7 by 12, 7 by 4 and 7 by 2. Here you can see numerators are same. So इसका process उल्टा होगा, right? Opposite process. So here we will write the answer 7 by 12, 7 by 8, 7 by 4 and 7 by 2. E part 12 by 15, 12 by 13, 12 by 17, 12 by 10. Similarly here numerators are same, so process उल्टा होगा. So इसका आंसर होगा 12 by 17, 12 by 15, 12 by 13 and 12 by 10. So we have done this exercise. Thank you so much.